Hello everyone. Next come to the next examples. Show that integration 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to p theta cos raised to q theta into d theta is equal to 1 by 2 beta of p plus 1 by 2 q plus 1 by 2 where p and q strictly greater than minus 1. It's a very important question. They will ask for 5 marks. Next is also asked deduce that integration 0 to 2 x raised to 4 into 8 minus x cube raised to minus 1 by 3 into dx is equal to 16 by 3 beta of 5 by 3 2 by 3. Okay, let's see first one. It's a very important first part. See here we have a LHS in the form of a sine and cos, the power in the form of p and q. Okay, but in RHS we have a is beta function. If we know that beta function is what, beta of mn equal to x integration 0 to 1 x is to m minus 1 1 minus x is to n minus 1 into dx. That's why we have to LHS part can be converted to in the form of beta function. Okay, that's why I'm taking here put sin square theta equal to z. See here I'm taking as a the sine power is a 2 because in RHS we have a constant ratio that is 1 by 2. 2 is the common in beta function is also in coefficient also. That's why I'm taking as a the power is 2. Put sin square theta equal to z. So that then differentiate sin square theta equal to z, we get a 2 sin theta. Sin theta differentiation is cos theta d theta and z is dz. Okay, if you change the variable the limit is also changed. You know that previous examples. If the given limit is 0 to pi by 2, that's why I'm taking theta equal to 0, we get a z is a 0 because sin 0 is a 0. Then theta is a 5 by 2, then sin pi by 2 is a 1, 1 square is a 1, then z value is a 1. We get a z value and dz value. Next we get a limit value also. Now we have to find out the 1 minus z because the beta function is the form of x 1 minus x dx. Now we have to find out the 1 minus z value. We know that z value 1 minus sin square theta is what? Once again is cos square theta. We get a all values. Next take LHS part integration 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to p theta into cos raised to q theta into d theta is equal to, here sin raised to p theta can be rewritten in the form of p minus 1 1 because in RHS we form in the form of p plus 1 by 2 q plus 1 by 2. That's why I'm taking this part. Sin power p theta can be rewritten sin raised to p minus 1 and sin power 1. If you take both we get once again the power is p. Okay, then similarly q, that is the cos raised to q minus 1 and 1. Q minus 1 1 once again we get a power is q. Okay, next step, see here p minus 1 can be rewritten as, because in the denominator we have a the term is a 2. That's why I'm taking for a sin raised to p minus 1 theta can be rewritten multiplying and divided by 2. We get a sin square theta into raised to p minus 1 by 2 and cos square theta raised to q minus 1 by 2. Okay, and sin theta cos theta d theta is as it is. Now you have to put the values. What is sin square theta? It is a z. What is cos square theta? It is a 1 minus z. Next, what is sin theta cos theta d theta? We do not know the single sin theta value and cos theta value, but we know the sin theta cos theta d theta value. See here, in sin square theta equal to z, we have to differentiate. What we get? 2 sin theta cos theta d theta is equal to dz. Then sin theta cos theta d theta equal to what? Dz by 2. These are all value put in the equation. What you get? It is a, and limit is also changed. 0 to pi by 2 can be converted into 0 to 1. Then we get integration 0 to 1 z raised to p minus 1 by 2 1 minus z raised to q minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into dz. Okay, here constant term is what? 1 by 2, take outside. The remaining part is what? integration 0 to 1 z raised to p minus 1 by 2 1 minus z raised to q minus 1 by 2 into dz. By the definition of the beta function, that is integration 0 to 1 x raised to m minus 1 1 minus x raised to n minus 1 dx is equal to what? Beta of mn. In that formula I have to using here. Beta 1 by 2 is a constant as it is. Then beta of p minus 1 by 2 power. Then its next term is p minus 1 by 2 plus 1 and q minus 1 by 2 power 1 minus z. That's the next term is q minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay. Take LCM, we get a in the form of 1 by 2 beta of p plus 1 by 2 q plus 1 by 2. Okay. So this is the solution of the first part. It's a very important. They will ask for 5 marks. Okay. Next, take down second part. What they ask? Deduce that integration 0 to 2 x raised to 4 8 minus x cube raised to minus 1 by 3 into dx is equal to 16 by 3 beta of 5 by 3 2 by 3. See here in our lectures already x power is there. It is not matter. Here see second term. It is a 8 minus x cube form. But we know that beta is in the form of 1 minus x. That's why I am taking this 8 can be taken as 1 and x cube as a x. That's why I am taking put x cube equal to dz. Okay. Next, then what is the x value? 8 cube root is 2 and z is a z raised to 1 by 3. Then differentiate, we get 2 is a constant as it is. Z raised to 1 by 3 is 1 by 3 into z raised to minus 2 by 3 into dz. Okay. Once again, change the limit for changing the variable. The given limit as 0 to 2. That's why I am taking x equal to 0. We get z equal to 0. X equal to 2. X equal to 2. We get a z equal to 1 because x cube equal to 8z. Put x equal to 2. That would get a 2 cube is 8. 8 it get cancel. We get a z equal to 1. These are all value in the put in the LHS part. What you get? The 0 to 2 limit can be converted into 0 to 1. See here x raised to 4. We know x cube value. We know x value. Okay. Multiply both. What you get? 8 2 is the 16 and z power is first term 1 and here 1 by 3. Add both. We get a z raised to 4 by 3. That is the formula a raised to m plus a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. Okay. Next term is a 8 as it is and minus x cube value is what? X cube value is a 8z. Put that value and power is minus 1 by 3. Next dx value is 2 by 3 z raised to minus 2 by 3 into dz. Okay. Take constant first term. 16 into 2 by 3 is once again 32 by 3. And in second term 8 minus 8z. 8 is a common. Take outside. The power is what? Minus 1 by 3. And remaining we get a 1 minus z raised to minus 1 by 3. And see here z have a 2 powers. That is a z raised to 4 by 3 and z raised to minus 2 by 3. Add both, we get a z raised to 2 by 3 into dz. Okay. Once again here 8 raised to minus 1 by 3 is what? The ratio 8 power is in the form of negative. We get in the positive form, we have to take in 1 divided by 8 raised to 1 by 3. Then 8 cube root is what? 2. We get a 1 by 2. That one taken outside. Already 32 by 3 is there. Then multiply 1 by 2. Remaining part is what? Integration 0 to 1 z raised to 2 by 3 1 minus z raised to minus 1 by 3 into dz. Okay. See here I am applying here how to solve. We get in the form of must and should we have to form in the beta form. That's why I am taking. In previous you have to take z is equal to sin square theta. Put that value here. Z equal to sin square theta. Here 32 by 2 we get a 16 by 3 and 0 to 1 can be converted into 0 to pi by 2. Okay, because I am changing z as in the form of theta. Z value is what? Sin square theta. Okay, put that value, we get a sin raised to 4 by 3 theta and 1 minus z value is what? Cos square theta raised to minus 1 by 3 and once again dz value is what? 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. Okay. Next, see here sin raised to 4 by 3 is there. The sin power is also 1. Add 4 by 3 plus 1. We get a 7 by 3. Sin power is a sin raised to 7 by 3 theta and cos square theta raised to minus 1 by 3 multiply, we get a cos raised to minus 2 by 3 into 1. That is here power is 1, minus 2 by 3 plus 1, we get a 1 by 3 theta d theta. Once again apply above standard formula, that is the integration 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to p theta cos raised to q theta d theta is equal to 1 by 2 beta of p plus 1 q plus 1 by 2. Apply that formula. The p value is what? 7 by 3. Q value is 1 by 3. Apply form. We get a 32 by 3 is a constant term. Then this formula applying above, we get a 1 by 2 beta of p plus 1 by 2 q plus 1 by 2. P is 7 by 3. Q is a 1 by 3. Solve. We get a 16 by 3 into beta of 5 by 3 2 by 3. So this is the solution of the example. It's a very important. Okay. Thank you.